Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating a simple Pac-Man game in Python. Introduction. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of creating a basic Pac-Man game using Python. We'll use the pygame library, a popular library for game development in Python. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple Pac-Man game that you can run and play. Step 1. Install pygame. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from https://www.python.org/downloads. Once Python is installed, open your terminal or command prompt and install pygame using the following command. Step 2. Create a new Python script. Create a new Python script, example pacman_game.py, and open it in your preferred code editor. Step 3. Import pygame and initialize. Add the following code to import the pygame library and initialize it. Step 4. Set up the game window. Create a pygame window with a specific width and height. Add the following code. Step 5. Define pacman character. Create a pacman character using a yellow circle. Add the following code. Step 6. Main game loop. Create the main game loop that continuously updates the game state and handles events. Add the following code. Step 7. Run the game. Add the following code at the end of your script to run the game. Now, you can run your Pac-Man game by executing the script. You should see a window with a yellow circle representing Pac-Man. This is a basic starting point, and you can expand the game by adding ghosts, pellets, and additional features. Feel free to copy and paste the provided code snippets into your Python script. Happy coding! ChatGPT.